and welcome to my progress presentation video. In this video I will be talking to you about the internship location and also my design need and how I come up with my final design, and also about how I'm going with the building of this project. The internship location was Qualitech Joinery. This was a shop fitting factory located in Chipping Norton, and they specialize in all kitchen making type joinery and also polyurethane needs. Here are some videos of the factory where I worked in, and this is doing some CNC cutting and then carcass construction. I stayed at Qualitech Joinery for 6 days, and I was just doing work in their factory, and I also went around to different job sites all over Sydney, gaining more experience in this particular trade. This internship experience was very good for me because it gave good insight to what the trade is really like, and it helped me to develop more practical skills to help me to build this project that I'm working on. So the design problem that I've chosen to address for myself is a new workbench. This is my current workbench, and as you can see, it's not very sturdy at all. In fact, it's quite small, and you can also see there my sawhorse that I made in my previous unit, which has helped a lot, but it's still not enough. So here are some design concepts that I found around on the internet and different magazines. They just sort of highlight the type of bench that I'm looking to go for, something very sturdy and with really good clamping ability. Now this design solution I've just created on Fusion 360. Ideally, I would like to have a vise at the end, which is in this location just here, and a face vise just there. But for time purposes, I've just done this drawing so I can get started with the construction. With this type of work, it's very easy just to add a vise onto it. It's mainly the overall measurements that you really need for a workbench. Everything else can be done later. So for the timber I chose was Victorian ash. This is a very strong, sturdy material, and it's very straight grain, so it's easy to work with, and it's very durable, which is perfect and ideal for a long-lasting workbench. I bought my timber from Armour Timbers over in Silverdale, and they were a very good price, so that's why I went with them. Now, sort of a part two to my internship was going to Bosley Park High School, and the teacher that's there used to be my teacher when I was a high school student, and he's let me use his machinery there just to help me out. And this is me using the thicknesser and a lot of gluing. I needed a lot of clamps for this project, and also getting some other type of machinery experience with the jointer just there, and also table saw experience, which I received in my internship also. This is how far I've gotten. That's the sides done, and I've also glued the top together. Now I'll just have to join the two pieces together and then add the vices on. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed the progress that I've made with this project.